Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about job estimate, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a job estimate for your customer in FreshBooks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a job estimate in FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers require a job estimate before you can schedule the job work. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to put together a job estimate for one of your customers, what you're going to do is here on the left, click on estimates. It looks like a little calculator. Once you do that, you're going to see any kind of recent job estimates you might have put together. But here on the top right, you want to go ahead and click on create new. It's in green. Once you do that, you're going to choose between an estimate or a proposal. So for me, these are basically the same. However, with a proposal, you can go ahead and add custom content like images or attachment if that's going to be relevant to your job estimate. For me, I don't need that, so I'm going to click on estimate. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and set up a job estimate. So for one, you can go ahead and add your logo here if you haven't already done that on the main account. Two, you want to go ahead and choose the customer that you're going to be sending this job estimate to. So you can go ahead and click here and then choose from the customer you've already added into your FreshBooks account. If that customer is not here yet, you can go easily click on this create a client button, follow the steps, and add them as a customer in your FreshBooks account. Next, you can go ahead and choose the estimate date. By default, it's going to be for today. If you want to go ahead and schedule it for tomorrow or maybe put it for yesterday, you can change that here by clicking on the calendar and just updating the date. So maybe I was at their house on the 25th. So that was the date of the estimate. Okay, here you can go ahead and add an estimate number. So we'll just do this as 458. 458. Next, you want to go ahead and add a description on your job estimate. So click on add a line. Okay, here you can go ahead and start adding the services. So maybe we're going to do YouTube marketing, 10 videos. All right, 10 videos. And next we're going to click right here on rate. And as you can see, we're going to get that blue line around it. So we can go ahead and edit in there. So maybe we're going to charge $3,500 for that. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to come together. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and add another line. So if you have more services you are putting into this job estimate, so maybe an editing service or maybe a promotion service, you can keep adding that in and then the subtotal will be added in. Here you can go ahead and add notes. So any kind of restrictions or any kind of terms about your job estimate. So maybe the house has to be cleaned before the estimate starts, or maybe they have to confirm this estimate within 48 hours for it to be valid. So all of that information you can put in here. Maybe here on the notes, you can go ahead and reference the project. So that way it's not confused with a different project you might be working with that particular customer. Okay, so once you are done filling out your job estimate in FreshBooks, you want to scroll to the top and you're going to see either save or send to. So save means that you can go ahead and just save it for a reference in the future. If you want to immediately send this out to your customer, go ahead and click on send to. Okay, immediately they are going to open up an email with that customer's email address. So this is just a fake test account. And then here you can go ahead and type in the subject, and then also you'll be able to type in any kind of extra information you want to add into the body of the email. Or if you want, you can click on share via link right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a job estimate in your FreshBooks account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.